ating bansa. Na isa naman po inailigtas. Palabagan ng ating mga military at ating mga kapamilya na mga talagang nagsisilbi sa bayan. Si Secretary Ronaldo Puno, napagaling, Mr. Teodoro. Maraming po sa congratulations. At sana ay mag-ayos-ayos na tayo para yung ating bansa umunlad. Dahil pag may mga ganyan chismis sa ibang bansa, natatakot na pumunta rito yung ating mga ibang banyaga. Sayang muna yung pagkakataon na yan. But anyway, sama-sama lang sana tayo. Okay? You understand what I'm saying?
I think at the beginning you say thank you to everyone who made the rescue successful.
Galing na, yeah. That's in the beginning.
Yeah,
How about in the end? Okay, that's good. Okay. Maglalagay na tayo. Gerald, kamay sa baba. Duel, 500,000 ang pwedeng panalunan. At syempre, meron kayong makukumang pang-negosyo, Sisi at Hammerhead. Good luck. Tayo na lang kata. Let's do it. Come on!
Question!
Toyang. Toyang is correct. Was that right?
Correct?
Correct, Toyang. Sing it!
Ay namin maliit lamang Pero maliso kahit sa kusina Kumain
Mali.
ka
Pati sa kusina. Kasi pati. Oo, sinayin mo suka. Okay. May chance pa. Ha? Gerald, meron ka ng 1.12. Naku, 500,000 to. Kamay sa baba. Let's go, Carmen.
Question!
The correct answer is...
Step by step.
Can you sing that song?
Ooh, baby, I'm gonna get to you, girl.
Ganyan na. Ganun cute na. Ganun sa kamanta. Nagpapakit eh. Okay, tomorrow you'll be in ASAP, okay?
Yes,
You'll be
I am.
in ASAP, okay? You have 1 point, Noel. Habang tayo, Gerald. Next!
Question!
When you say nothing at all
Correct!
Correct! Okay, Gerald, pag nakanta mo to, pasok ka na.
Sing it!
Ulitin natin, ha? From the top.
Sing it!
Smile on your face as you know that you need me There's truth in your eyes saying you never leave me The touch of your hand says you catch me whenever I fall
Gerald, napakaswerte mo. Pasok ka na! Thank you, Noel. Salamat sa'yo. Good luck sa'yo. At siyempre naman, meron kang gawing other game.